Hello, loves. How the hell are you? It feels like it's been 100 years. It's only been April, May, June, July, just the beginning of August. So it's only been 4 months, but it feels like it's been forever. I've got a little bit of an unboxing here. I've got some announcements. Just check in. How the hell are you doing? The world has gone and lost its mind and fallen apart. But the message that I got today in the new moon in Leo ceremony, which you are welcome to attend anytime, they're pre-recorded and they show up in my shop on my website a couple days before the new and the full moon cycle. And there's also a membership called the Wild Moon Community with an online platform that you can connect with other people in the group and get those on automatic repeat. But the message that I got today is, although everything looks like it's falling apart, it is actually coming together. It's like the house has to get messy before it's clean. So there you go. So new moon in Libra, new moon in Leo for August 4th just got posted. We've got a Mercury retrograde. It's starting on the 5th until the 28th of August. It's going to go the whole month. There's a 2-week setup phase, so we're already in it, and there's a 2-week integration phase. So we'll be in it till mid-September. And one of my teachers calls Mercury retrogrades disintegration to reintegration. Mercury rules the mind, and so it's all about, like, where have you been putting your mental energy? Is it supportive? Is your mind on autopilot and it's not grounded? There was a lot of that came up in the ceremony today too. So ceremonies twice a month, Wild Moon Community, Mercury retrograde. We've got Pluto retrograde still until, I don't know what it is, October. Well, no, I think it's past the election, so it's going right over all of that. It's just nuts. But I would love to hear how you're doing and how you're holding up. It has been really nice, honestly, to have a social media/media break. I'm still sending messages out on my newsletter, so if you're not on there, you can go to my website, doublemagenta.com, and get on my newsletter. If you go to the website, I'm now offering a free moon ceremony for anybody that signs up for my newsletter. So that's a way to get your first one free if you want to try that out. What else? Yeah, the social media break. I don't know. I feel like there's part of me that wants to come back and start soul messages again. But there's really been a need for me to pull back. I think a need kind of collectively for all of us to pull back and reassess, like, where are your loyalties? Where are your commitments? Like, what do you care about in this world when you disengage from all of the outside expectations, which a lot of them are digital now. A lot of them are, us sitting and just scrolling, and it's like, whatever. And I just can't be bothered with it. It's like, I want to get the word out, and I want people to know about my business and my offerings. And that's another announcement I totally forgot about, is I'm doing astrology readings now, individual and couples. So you can check that out on my website too, but it's one of my favorite things because it literally is the soul blueprint. If you have ever felt like you have no idea what the hell you're doing here, your astrology chart will explain the whole thing. I've literally been looking for this blueprint my whole life and didn't realize that it was right here in astrology. I've been interested in it since I was 14, and I don't know why I never, studied to learn how to do chart readings, but I finally did, and they're amazing, and I love it, and there you go. I'll see if there's any other things, but I'd love to hear how you're doing. If you want to just post a comment or whatever, and just like, what's coming together or falling apart for you, and join the Wild Moon community and connect with all of us. So I actually have 2 months boxes even to share with you because I was gone for like a whole month. So I didn't even open, I think this is June and then end of July. And then I've already got my August one ready to go. So I think this is June, but I mean, does it really matter? Northern Lights Black Spruce. This is one of my favorites. If you want to like smell the inside of a man, and I don't mean that in a gross way, but like it just smells like a man. It is so good. It is so good. And any of the tree oils are really grounded, rooting. Like, think about trees, right? They've got their roots in the ground. They've got their branches up. And so those are really good. And Northern Lights Black Spruce happens to be really good with citrus if you want to combine those two. but I was getting low on this, so I was happy to get it for free. I just love it. They always are giving shit out for free. I got a 3-pack of these, although I think my kid tore in here and devoured. I've got 2 at least. Grapefruit bergamot's my favorite. Lavender lemonade, this is good too, but I just always get this one, I guess. She didn't get to all of them. So I've got those, but it's electrolytes. You just do a little squeeze in your water, and I'm telling you what, my kiddo was like doing it one day and she's like, squirt. I'm like, no, real quick. Otherwise it will be way too salty. You just want to go a little bit and it will last longer as well. Okay, I ordered cedarwood because I was getting low on it. I love the tree oils, but cedarwood is for community and belonging and just feeling like you're part of the whole. If you have that feeling of like kind of being out of the crowd or like you don't belong or whatever. And it's an amazing one for bedtime. Lavender and cedarwood, thebomb.com for bedtime. Valor was free this month. This is a $45 bottle, this tiny thing, because it's so good. I don't even remember all what's in it. I know that they put rosewood back in it because they got a new sustainable resource for that. Oh, I was going to show you this too. So dry skin serum. Okay, I'm 50, I have dry skin, whatever. This is amazing. I friggin' love this. So I wash my face with the Bloom cleanser, and then I use this kind of like in between moisturizer. So I'm going to show you, this is the one I have with a roller lid, and I'm going to show you how to swap out the lid. So literally you just take the top of it. This is, you know, for any of them, and you just use the cap to pull that off. And then you do the same thing with the roller ball if it was already on there. And then you just put the roller ball on, and it's real easy to snap on, but if you twist the lid, then that will confirm that it's on there and you don't accidentally tip it over and dump the whole bottle out, which I've never done, but I'm sure it's possible. So anyways, and then I just roll that on my face between cleanser and moisturizer. So that's really good, and then you can just recycle the old bottle. Since we're in summertime, let me just tell you, this is Hawaii in a bottle. Cellulite Magic massage oil. Think cellulite. They can't put that word on it because they can't make claims, but that's what it's for. Cypress oil is the top note in this, and cypress oil is for moving congested lymph and congested energy. So it's really good, but I use it for lotion. I friggin' love it. And you can make salt scrub with this too. I've done videos on that on my Instagram. Okay, my kiddo did pull that one out. Mineral Essence, which is minerals for your water, and the massage thing comes with a pump too if you'd prefer. So that was my June order. I feel like there was probably more, but I think some other things got snaked out of there. And then this one just came today, which made me go, okay, I've got to finally do this video. So this is July. Copaiba Vanilla Shampoo. I love the conditioner, and I've never tried the shampoo, so I wanted to try it. It is so nice and light, super moisturizing without being heavy, which is hard to do. So I'll let you know how the shampoo is. Thieves Whitening Toothpaste, always and forever. This is my favorite thing. Regular toothpaste gives me canker sores. Sodium lauryl sulfate. Look for that ingredient in your toothpaste. It is not good, and it's in most toothpastes. Let's see what else. Oh, one of the other things, this I'd use at nighttime in between moisturizer, or in between cleanser and moisturizer. CBD Beauty Boost. If I didn't have makeup on already, I would open this and put this on right now. It is so delish. But it's got a dropper, and you just put a couple drops, rub it together, and put it over. This is great oil, by the way, to use at night if you have a gua sha stone and you want to use that for wrinkles and all that good stuff. I have one. I don't always remember to use it, but it's great. And the oil is like the perfect moisturizer for it. Okay, let's see, what else did I get? Oh, lemongrass, that was free. This is great for cleansing, for like air purification, but also energy purification. If you want cleansing of the air because people in your home are sick, you want to go Thieves. But this is for purging of like old stuck energy in the house. You could do Cypress as well, I suppose. Palo Santo. This is in my Black Moon Lilith blend, and I was running out of it. And I gotta have my stores for that, but it smells so yummy. And then Lady Sclerol, I frigging love this. Okay, so if you have a problem with geranium, as I have, geranium is the oil of love and trust. It's the oil of the mother wound, and I have never liked it. I've just like repulsed by it. So it's in Valor. It's so lightly in Valor that you can't smell it at all. So if you also don't like it, start with Valor. You can even put it on the bottoms of your feet if you're like, no, but Valor smells so good, you're gonna wanna have it nearby. Okay, so then I realized that it was in here, and I bought Lady Sclerol initially for hormonal balance. Progesterone Plus is great for, it's bioidentical progesterone from wild yams, and then anything with clary sage in it, you can do clary sage straight, but also I like Lady Sclerol because it's got kind of like a feminine essence, and it's supposed to help you with, like, you know, your feminine wiles, like feeling sexy and, you know, all that good stuff. Feeling yourself. And when I first got it, I was like, oh God, there's too much geranium. I can't handle it. So I put a roller lid on it, like I showed you, and I put it on the insides of my ankles because that's the hormone spot. So insides of the ankles, and then it's away from your face. Well, now I've been using it long enough that your body adapts and it learns and it goes, oh yeah, I like this. And then it actually changes your way of smelling. I can't really believe it, but it does. So now I like this. And the other thing that I learned is that because essential oils, because your sense of smell is the strongest sense you have, it activates and hits the limbic system right away, which controls all kinds of stuff, hormones, anxiety, you know, your like autonomic nervous system. And so apparently when you are using pure essential oils, they have to be pure because your body can tell if it's chemical or not. And if it's pure, it actually opens up your ability to smell because it feels, I guess, because it feels safe. And so your body opens up and can receive more. And the whole reason we have smell, I mean, I'm sure it's for memory and all kinds of things, but also to alert your body if the environment is not safe. And so anyways, apparently over time, and I've noticed this intensely since I've switched out my laundry soap to Thieves, I only use Thieves cleaner in my house and all of that, that when you go over into natural products like this, it opens up your system, and then the smell of toxic chemicals is worse than it was before, and it becomes like repugnant. So if you smell, you know, Tide laundry soap or whatever it is on somebody at the store, like it's just gag reflex. So anyways, it's just interesting to know that. And then Stress Away was one of the freebies, and I love me some Stress Away. This one goes in my car with me at all times. I do have a car diffuser. This one and Citrus Fresh, and I use those for road trips or whatever, like whenever you're feeling like you need something. So that's it. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know how you're doing. I'm just curious. I just want to touch base and see how people are. And yeah, all the free stuff that I got is because I'm on Loyalty Rewards. It's like frequent flyer miles for all the Young Living products and oils and everything. And then you get up to 25% back on in points for future product when you order from Loyalty Rewards. And then just for being a member and having an account, no matter how you do it, you automatically get 24% off of retail. So you get the wholesale price, which is amazing. So anyways, love you all. Wonderful to see you. And come to Moon Ceremony sometime. I'm also doing in-person walking meditations if you live in Portland. So if you're interested in that, you can message me or something through all the social ways and connect about that if you're interested in doing that. But that's been really super fun. And we'll probably do indoors in the fall and winter. All right, take care. Mwah.